Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on see this is gigabyte.com and this is search box. Just click on it and enter your model number of motherboard Z790S Wi-Fi DDR4. Then enter hit DDR4. Then enter hit enter. Then you can see there are two. So both same. Just click first. Click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. Okay, so both if you are using any but installations process same, select any, no. VGA driver, so Intel VGA graphic driver, and click to download. So it is start downloading. So it is completed, and just open it, graphic driver, and just double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to installation. Now this is installing. Then it is automatically closed, means this is installed.